since we're walking to our hotel, Portofino, we went to the left, which we haven't done before. Haven't done it in a long time, so we're just gonna walk back to the hotel. They have a little gift shop on the other side. It's a different tower. The entrance is over here. Check it. Pretty nice. We got Mickey. ATM. Parking is kind of tight over here, but we're gonna be somewhere down over here on the first floor. I'm gonna take a look at the room first before we load it up with our stuff. It looks nice. Looks like we have two buildings, but we're in this one. So now I just gotta figure out how to even get to it. I think I went the wrong way. I don't know where I'm going because these look like little patio areas.
1 hour later.
Well, that one doesn't because it's not. Oh, the pool's over here. And then there's a fitness center. I don't think there's anyone in there, but there's like treadmills, mirrors. I don't know what else, but it's there. So we're gonna go find that room. Oh, I think now I figured it out. Technically, I could have gone through the inside instead of the outside. Lesson learned. It smells nice and powdery in here. Oh, look at the bathroom. Okay. I'll set the phone down. Hi, guys. Hi. And here's our bathroom. And a shower. Ooh, little like marble. Looks pretty nice. Looks clean. I don't have my glasses on, so don't quote me on that. Probably is, so don't worry. But yeah, we have a hair dryer. We have full-length mirror. You guys know how I am with my full-length mirrors if you've seen my other videos. Need a full-length mirror. We got an ironing board, place to put your luggage. Iron, of course. There's no security deposit box, so we never use it. And then in here we have like a desk and a dresser. And then we got
a note we thought you would see.
Oh, okay, let's see. Oh, that's nice from the front desk. Okay, cool. Well, that is nice of them. And then we have coffee maker. It's not gonna be fancy. So this is a little porch area. Oh, I think, or I don't know what side we're on. I don't know. But look, if you want to get outside, you can. But two queens. Kermit has already cleaned the bed. Kermit is getting comfortable. It's nap time for Kermit. Kermit is resting. Yeah, it's nice. You know, I've been wanting to stay here. So a little wear and tear on this. I'm not super picky about it. It's fine. Do we have any? No. There's no USB. That one does look like the one that you put in. For your phone, we have the ice bucket. We have a fridge. You cannot go wrong with fridge. So I brought water. That's gonna go in there. And yeah, we got 1, 2, 3 chairs. 2 queens. Not bad at all. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a comfortable stay. I've been wanting to stay here for a while. I've had family stay here. So yeah, it's nice. It's decent. I mean, it's something, I'm not like, wow, but it's nice. I like the location. We'll see how the beds feel though. That's the real thing. It feels kind of firm right now. So.